In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact from a GetResponse list. This is a straightforward process, and whether you're cleaning up your email lists or managing your contacts for a marketing campaign, knowing how to do this is really important. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, if you're not already logged into your GetResponse account, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is the central hub where you can manage all of your email campaigns, contacts, and everything else. The next step is to navigate to the Contacts section. You can usually find this on the left-hand sidebar of the dashboard. When you click on that, you'll see a list of all your contacts organized by lists and segments. This is where all your subscriber information is stored. If you're looking to delete a specific contact, you can use the search bar at the top of this section to quickly locate them. Just type in the name, email address, or any other identifiable information related to the contact you wish to delete, and hit enter. Once you've found the contact you're looking for, click on their name. This action will take you to their profile, where you'll see detailed information about that particular contact. Take a moment to review this information to ensure you're deleting the right contact, as this action can't be undone. Now look for the option to delete the contact. In most cases, you'll find a button or a text link that says Delete somewhere on this page, often towards the bottom or in a Settings dropdown. When you click on that, a confirmation pop-up will usually appear to prevent accidental deletions. This pop-up will typically say something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this contact?" Take a minute to think it over. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Just click Yes or Confirm depending on the wording. And just like that, your contact will be removed from the list. But wait, there's one more important thing to consider. If the contact you're deleting is part of additional lists, you might want to remove them from those as well. So it's a good idea to double-check their other list memberships if you're planning to clean up multiple lists. Let's talk about why you might want to delete contacts in the first place. It could be that the contact is no longer engaging with your emails, or perhaps they've unsubscribed, and you're simply following protocol to keep your list fresh and healthy. Maintaining an accurate list can help improve your email deliverability rates and overall engagement metrics. If you're dealing with large list sizes frequently, GetResponse provides helpful tools for managing contacts in bulk. Instead of deleting contacts one at a time, you can often select multiple contacts and use batch actions to delete them all at once. This can save you a lot of time. Remember, before you do any bulk deletions, it's always a good practice to export your list or back up your contacts elsewhere, just in case you need to reference them later. And that's it! You've now learned how to delete a contact from a GetResponse list. Always keep in mind the importance of a clean email list. It can lead to better marketing results for your business. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has proved helpful. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials like this, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like.